How to Decorate the Cupcake by Jessica Han. Do you ever wanted to decorate the cupcake? Here are the steps. First, we need napkin, 1 cupcake and 3 kind of sprinkles. You also need 1 knife, 1 heart marshmallows, 2 strawberry marshmallow and strawberry cream. Next, spread with knife the strawberry cream on the cupcake. Then put the 3 kind of sprinkles. After, put the hard marshmallows on the middle and put the normal marshmallow on the side. Then, put the napkin on the desk and put the cupcake on the napkin. Lastly, now you can eat your cupcake and enjoy. Yum! Now you can decorate your cupcake. Yay!